Hi. Alright guys, so this video is to tell you how to obtain pH and pOH from a solution when you have a concentration of an ion. In this case, we have hydrogen ion concentration. So I'm going to read the problem. It says calculate the pH and the pOH of a solution that has a hydrogen concentration of 3.6 times 10 to the power of 3 molar. Okay, so first of all, that's our data right now, and so we're going to write in just like that. Okay, the hydrogen ion concentration is 3.6 times 10 to the power of -3 molar. All right, so the pH, to obtain the pH, there is a simple formula that is like the negative logarithm of the hydrogen concentration. Okay, so we only have to substitute it using the value that we're being given, that is that 3.6 times 10 the power of -3, and that's what I'm going to write right now. Alright, and that will give us the solution for this, that is 2.44. That's gonna be our value for pH. Now once you already have the pH, to obtain the pOH is kind of easy, okay, because there is a rule, okay, that it says that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Okay, so we can solve for the pOH and we will obtain that is 14 minus the pH. So only that's everything we have to do. 14 minus the 2.44 that we obtained from the pOH, sorry, from the pH, and that will give us the value of the pOH, and that is 11.56. Alright, so guys, that's all for this video. We already have the two values of the pH and the pOH, starting only from the hydrogen ion concentration. Now remember, if you have the hydroxide ion concentration instead of having the hydrogen concentration, then the initial result will not give you pH, will give you pOH, and then using the subtraction that we did in the second step, you will get the pH. Okay, so that's all for this video, so I see you guys later.